We open our eyes to a world that's still standing, though battered and bruised. America is a place that feels raw and worn, like an old wound slowly beginning to heal. You walk through streets where voices once clashed like waves in the storm, where every opinion, every belief, every side fights to claim its truth as the only truth. Now in the quiet aftermath, we sense something different, something deeper. Not a silence, but a pause. A space where something new could finally begin. Regardless of which side we stood on, regardless of what views we held close, we all feel the weight of the times, the strain of division, the constant tension in the air. Like a burning hot fire, a reminder of just how deeply we care about the future. And while there's scars, something has been left behind in its wake. A chance to rebuild, to see beyond the chaos, to find a way forward. We feel it as we walk, a quiet optimism, a belief that we can do better, that we will do better. It's easy to fall into despair, to see only the cracks in the foundation, the fractures in our ideals. But now, after this upheaval, we realize that every crack is a place where light can seep through. Every fracture is an opening, an invitation for something stronger to grow in its place. America has always been a place of reinvention, a place where dreams and ideals can rise, even after they've been broken. The path ahead won't be easy, but there's resilience here, a fire that refuses to be extinguished. We've been shaken, and yet we're still standing. Now, with the chance to look beyond party lines, beyond old rivalries, we find ourselves at the edge of possibility. As we stand here, we see it, the potential, the collective energy of a people who, despite everything, still believe in progress. It doesn't matter which administration came before or who sits in power now. The truth is, the spirit of America isn't bound by one person, one leader, or one political era. The strength of this country lies in its people, in the millions of small acts of kindness, courage, and resilience that happen every day. We see that light in each other, in neighbors who may have once felt worlds apart, but now recognize that our hopes are intertwined. It's the light of families striving together for a better future, of communities working together, of people daring to believe that this country, flawed as it may be, can still fulfill its promise. And as we walk through this world, this resilient, hopeful, imperfect America, we know we are not defined by where we've been, but by where we choose to go next. This is our chance to rebuild not just with words, but with action, to bring kindness, understanding, and unity into the spaces where division once ruled. So, we step forward, no longer weighed down by the past. We see not just the struggle, but possibility, the light that pours through the cracks, illuminating a path forward for all of us. This is America, resilient and rising, and it will get better, not because of who leads, but because of who we are together. God bless America.